So hello everybody. In this question, what we need to do is the diagram shows a circle, center O, radius 8 centimeter. Points P and Q lie on the circle such that the chord PQ is 12 centimeters and the angle POQ is theta radians. So we need to first show that theta is 1.696, correct to 3 decimal places. Find the perimeter of the shaded region and find the area of the shaded region. So for the first bit, so everything is using formulas. So for the first bit, we need to show that theta is 1.696. So we are given the radius and we are given the length of this chord. So the way to do this is, so the length of the chord, if that was C, so if that was C, so that is given by 2 times radius times sine of theta over 2. So we need to substitute the value of C here. So I can say that for part 1, what I'm going to do is 12 is equal to 2 times 8 times sine of theta over 2. So theta over 2 is equal to sine inverse of 12 over 16. So this is all involving radians. So a lot of calculator use. So you need to change it to radians first. And what I will get is theta over 2 is equal to 0.8481, and therefore theta is equal to 2 multiplied by 0.8481, that is 1.696. So this is in radians, okay? So that's the answer. Then what I need to do is, the part 1 is done, so we need to do the part 2. For the part 2, find the perimeter of the shaded region. So the perimeter of the shaded region is the major arc, the length of the major arc plus the length of the chord. So the length of the major arc, so I'm going to write perimeter equals length of PQ, or I should say major arc PQ, and plus the length of the chord, that is 12. So what is the length of the major arc? Length of the major arc, I would work it out by saying it is r theta. So that is r, so theta, or in this case r is 8, and the theta is, this angle is theta. So this is 2 pi minus theta. So we know what theta is, 1.696. So it would be 2 pi minus 1.696, because theta is equal to 1.696 radian. So 8 times theta, so the angle here is 2 pi minus 1.696 and plus 12. So this will give me So 8 times minus 1.696 and that plus 12. So to do plus 12. So that is 48.69 or 48.7. Okay, and of course centimeter. So that's the perimeter. Now the area of the shaded region. So the area bit, similarly it's the area of the major arc plus the area of the triangle. So area of the shaded region so that would equal to area of major arc so area of PQ, that's the major arc, okay, plus PQ or plus 12 plus no sorry plus area of the triangle OPQ. So the area of the major arc is given by half r square theta. So the area of this region, I mean to say, I keep saying major arc, it's not the perimeter. So it's this bit, okay. So we have to do half times r square, so 8 times 8 times theta. So once again theta is 2 pi minus 1.696 plus area of the triangle is half times like half BC sine of the including angle. So here the two lengths of the triangle, the two sides is 8 and 8. So it'll be half times 8 times 8 times sine of 1.696. So that's all in radian. So then what we get is this is 4. Let me simplify. This is 4. So that would be 32 times if you do that, so I would get 146.79 and plus 31.75, and if I add them up I get 178.54, and of course this is going to be centimeters square. So that is the answer, and this completes the question.